Okay, when you begin working in the VMware hands-on labs, so I believe this is the Lightning Lab 1951-92 Horizon 7. So we can see the machine does work. Our instructions are over here on the right hand side of the screen. So we'll start, there's 71 total slides. As you go through here, you can scroll up and down. It'll tell us what to do. To explore the full lab, you can go here. We'll keep browsing through. I'm going to try to get to some of the steps. So of course I want you to go through a little slower and read each of these. And it's going to give you the architecture of the system that you're working on, so you can kind of get an understanding of the machines that you're interacting with. Gives you some information about just-in-time management. We should get to the first lab here in just a second. The pod is a group of different servers, so they again further explaining the power of Horizon 7. And soon we will get to the lab. So some of these are videos. And so be sure to go through and watch the videos as well. Alright, let's see. Alright, so user environment. So what we want to do is we want to find the Uem Management Console. Right, so that's right here. And I want to open this. And this is where we start getting into the different steps. So it wants me to go to Personalization tab. Right, and it tells me the point of the Personalization tab. Now it's going to ask me to expand out applications, and then I'm going to be doing a whitelist approach. So I'm going to be finding applications that I trust here. Okay, and let's see what it wants me to continue doing. Now it wants me to look at paint.net and see what the current configuration is. So the registry location for paint.net configuration details. So this is where paint.net lies in the registry, and HKey current user software, paint.net. And now it's going to tell me to go check out the DirectFlex, and then I can read some of the predefined settings, make sure that this is here. So double click partially enforced. Some of these things will have you do something just for information, so you can see what the software looks like if you're running it. So here's an example of that. So first it wants me to look at the type and note the different options. We're going to stick with what was already here, the partially enforced, and then we're going to use the X to close that. Are you sure you want to cancel? Sure. And so you just continue going through, there's that part. Continue going through this different steps, and it will walk you through one by one all of the different steps for you to complete this lab and be able to have some experience working with Horizon. Alright, thanks. Hopefully this has been helpful.